Hello traders, welcome to today's video, Bank Holiday Monday, the 1st of April 2024. I completely forgot that it was April Fool's Day today. Normally we do a quite good April Fool's thing, but I forgot, so we're not going to do it because it's almost midday. And if you do an April Fool's after midday, then that is bad luck, so never mind. Anyway, I hope everyone is or has had or is having a very good long Easter weekend. I'm just doing a quick update this morning because it is a Monday, doing a little bit of work, but also still a semi-chill day, get back into the work mode, but still enjoy the bank holiday because it's actually quite a nice sunny day here in London today, but I don't know if that's going to last. But anyway, let's get on with the price action. There's nothing to discuss, is there? We are still in the same range that we have been in for a week since the breakout that we had last week on Monday. We've remained in that range the entire week. And these boxes on both this Coinbase chart and this WooX chart have remained completely unchanged. We are looking at resistance around here at 71,500. Okay, we come up into some supply. We are testing the wicks of these high volume candles, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And that is basically the last supply that there is before the new all-time highs. And then, of course, the move down, we are back testing what was resistance, and we are now trying to flip it into support. And that has confluence along with the previous all-time high, $69,000 from a few years ago. So it is incredibly simple. We remain in this range, and that is good, that is constructive. And the longer it stays in this range, the bigger the breakout will be. So if this is going to actually hold here and get continuation higher, I would be looking for quite a lot of continuation because we've been here for over a week. There's been plenty of time to reaccumulate or redistribute depending on which way this is going to break. And then I would not fade any move outside of this range. Now, my opinion of this morning is that this move down is bullish. Okay, I am happy to see this. It's the start of a month. We've put what could essentially be a nice wick down to start the month. Back testing our previous all-time high, back testing 69K on what is probably the biggest month ever for Bitcoin. We've got the halving coming up this month. We're already in probably the biggest market cycle that there has ever been because we've broken an all-time high before the halving. We've got the ETFs out now. And there is so much going on within the whole Bitcoin space. So this potentially the biggest ever month for Bitcoin. And for us to be testing that previous all-time high on the first day of this month, I would consider that to be a pretty good thing. So if this holds here, everything looks good to me. I am expecting a move well beyond the all-time highs that we made last month. Now, if we do start to lose 69K, and we get those 4-hour closes below and we start to break down this market structure here, okay, and we drop down, okay, maybe POC holds, but the POC is slightly different on all exchanges. But I would then be looking for a move back down to continue to trade this larger range that we are in right now. So as long as we're holding here, I do believe that we are looking for upside. And unless we start seeing some significant closes below, I do see that continuing. The nice thing about this morning as well is the first major test that we've had as a higher low and at the start of this month of this anchored VWAP. And also if we do look at the 4-hour EMAs, this is the first test once again since reclaiming that 50 EMA, which was resistance, 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 flip it, testing this now as support today. I would imagine with moving averages sloping upwards with the trend being up, that this is likely to be the last test of that 69K before we break up and we never see this level again. That's how realistically, if this is to break out to a new all-time high, this should be the last test of it. We've done it enough times, okay? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times, 11 times around this 69K level just on a 4-hour chart. And to me, it does look like if this is going to go, it should be going this week, and this should be holding and getting a move higher and not looking back. So see how it goes, right? In terms of the order flow, it's exactly what's been going on recently. Okay, spot bid is strong. Spot is holding really well. Perps are selling quite a lot. we've got, once again, bullish divergences on perps. There is now lower delta on perpetuals than when price was down at 61k, which is kind of ridiculous. Okay, so when we had this big drop down, all right, the CVD here is lower than it was here, and open interest as well, just relatively flat right now. The move down this morning did do a really good job of just clearing up some weekend open interest. Okay, there was a bit of a rise up, people thinking, oh, we're going to break out, we're going to start the month, it's going to be crazy, the highest ever monthly close on Bitcoin, the first ever monthly close above previous all-time highs, let's go. And then, yeah, this move down just shaking it out this morning. But overall, order flow looks good. Okay, we're continuing to build those divergences. Spot is continuing to look good. The ETF outflows have basically stopped, and we're looking back at an inflow environment again. Obviously, the markets were closed on Friday last week, so there was no trading on Friday. So this will be the first time since Thursday that we will get new, the New York market will be open. And it'll be interesting to see how this goes on the first day of a new month. There may be some selling, of course, as New York opens, because it often is, and then we'll see how that goes later on in the day. But yeah, overall, just it's the same thing. It's the same thing. We're in the same range. The order flow is the same. The ETFs stuff is the same. But I did think that I should get an update out anyway. Similar situation on Ethereum, right? Ethereum is holding its POC, just caught below this yearly level. But once again, as long as it's holding around about this 3,450 area, 3,500, then I see that as being constructive and we can be expecting higher prices. The ETH BTC pair is just doing as we were hoping it would after sweeping the lows, getting a decent move up. Now, can this see continuation up to take out these highs? We'll have to wait and see, but that would be nice if, once again, if Bitcoin can hold. If Ethereum can hold, then I do believe higher prices up towards 4,200 on Ethereum, up towards 80k on Bitcoin, we are likely to see this week. Other than that, yeah, we have the Easter sale, the Taurus Easter sale. So that is live. You get 20% off a 3-month plan, 30% off the 6-month plan, and 40% off the 12-month plans over at, if you go and join the Discord or click on the links below, then you can go over to sign up to join the crew. And of course, by joining the crew, you get access to our community, you get access to all of our updates, what we're looking at every week, all of the coaches here, you get access to the trading chat, which is always active. Even over the weekend when I haven't really been around so much, we've had a lot of activity going on there over the weekend. And yeah, a ton of educational content. And we're working on some new stuff at the moment for the educational content, a different format here, which is going to be very, very nice over the next the next few weeks. So on that note, I will wrap it up. I've spoken for 8 minutes and I don't really think I can speak anymore because there's nothing really happening. So have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.